Yo guys, it's me Cody. Today we're on Roblox again. No, I don't know which thingy I like, which what to do. I like work at pizza place, don't know why. That's the only map I've done really, so yeah, that's how I have. Let's go on it. So it's here somewhere. Okay, let's hope for the best it works. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, we're back. Don't know what I'm doing. No one's playing this game today. Okay, someone's saying yay. No, I thought that's who would say. Bye, mate. Said bye to me. Some skateboards under there. Look, guys. Oh, well. I'm going to be cooker. There's no pizza box or deliveries. Asher either. Right, okay. Oh, nice money. I'm gonna upgrade my house. Okay, let's start. Okay, we obviously. So someone's typing over there. Will you? Okay, yeah, that's gonna be appropriate. That comment is. Oh, they're both texting. In a sec, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see what those two are up to. Those naughty people. Oh, it's the who is this? Hey mate, Oh, that's a skateboard. Thanks, mate. Yeah. E is press E. Oh, guys, I'm moving you, aren't I? Look, I'm being kind to the manager. Hi. Saying hi to him. Very much. Thanks. Oh, someone's being a cashier. Cocker. There's two cockers now. Oh, perfect. No one cashier, so let's start working. I want this pizza. Okay, what do you want? Oh, I'm granted to be delicious. A sec. I'm ready to order. Wow! So not well. Hi, what would you like to eat? Oh, I know what I want. Oh, yeah, because I'm fat. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, wait! I've never seen these. I've done that. What are the? I bet they don't do anything. Chocolate 50. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in a sec. I'm gonna go on a thingy. I'm gonna go in a car, have a little thingy. quickly, guys. Let me just. Don't. Sorry about that, mate. I accidentally put my paint out. Wow, so many choices. What choices? Is there any more caches? Bro, this good guy. Lovely day outside. What would you like? Looks tastier. So please. Oh, cheese. Cheese for Feb. Oh well. Now cheese. I can't say much. Your order, please. Sausage with pepperoni. Oh, I didn't like pepperoni. I don't know why. But now I love pepperoni. I guess they were always right. Your taste buds do change. Oh boy, everything looks great. This might take a while. For fun things, like who'd have a drink? Like you hear that this paint says? Like you can get more. You can get more. I'm lucky I haven't been kicked. I haven't been kicked out. I mean, took the sack. Hey, what did you like? Hey. Hey, look at it. What did you want again? Oh, she don't like me. Hey, what did you like? Can I order a different cashier? I'm gonna order it for here. You don't even know what fish I gave you. Oh, you can have all different things. Kindness. Cut me out. Sick. The hell? I don't know what I look. Oh shoot. Shoot, I'm ugly. I'm gonna restart this. At first, I'm ugly. Yeah. Hey! This is shit, this is. This is hilarious, this is. Guys, this might be bad viewing, but I'm putting it up now. Okay. Got to end this video after I have 50 tops in these videos, and that's that not good? It says if drive, well, we've got 5 minutes left. I'm going crazy. Like, bro, look at me! Hey! Hey, I'm going up today. We're gonna live my way. I hear something. I will get back up again. Hey, I'm going out today. Gonna be black. I ain't your mama. Mr. Random Car. Let's go, Mr. Random Car. I love you, Mr. Random Car. You know that. I need to find my house, I think. So I'm not the only one with small house. Yay! Get 20 coins. How good's that? I think this is mine. Telling where this finger is. This is my house, I think so. It's my house, isn't it? Oh, this is not my house, man. Come say, bro. I think you've got a little leak there. Oh, this is fine! I did get a present! Yay! I got a present. I'm going to sell it. Delete that tutorial. Okay. I'm sewing this up. I don't like it. Get some money back. Time left. I've got like a minute. Dump. I mean, like, I give them money. Look, how can I help you? I want to sell stuff. This. Sell. Yes. Thanks. How much is it though? £90. They are decent. What's this? A lot of money in tea. How much is this? A lot of money. My own bike! Oh, my own bike! Want me a motorbike? What is it? I want my own bike. Oh. Thanks. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna try and find. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna make another video after I post this, so bye, guys! Bye! I'll see you later. Bye.